Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna unboxing and reviewing this safe baby bouncer, baby first chair, recline, bounce and rock. So let's open the box. One of my friend is very good on unboxing, but I'm learning. I hope I will be very quick on unboxing soon once my channel grow. Okay, so this is well packed over. There's so much text in there. Yeah. So, and this is okay. All right, so it's quite nice, good packing. Okay. Anything else in the box? No. This box stays here. Okay, so let's open it. Right, so nice one. This comes in pink, gray, and gray color. Okay. This the manual, how to build it. I think it's quite easy. Let's quickly do it. Okay. Let's put this on the top. Okay. Right. Okay, so here you go. It's quite nice. Right, so that's newborn baby first chair, I believe. It's rock and roll like this. And got belt as well. And you can put baby there. So thanks guys, I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.